Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions? You're checking all the boxes, the job, the income, the responsibilities, but deep down, something feels off. It's like you're running on a hamster wheel, chasing a carrot you're not even sure you want. That feeling, my friend, is a sign. It's a nudge from your soul telling you that you were made for more. True wealth isn't just about the numbers in your bank account. It's about a richness of spirit. Waking up every morning fired up because you know your life matters to you. This is the power of purpose. It's the ultimate currency, the real return on investment for your one precious life. So many of us are taught to chase money first. We believe a financial milestone will fix everything. But here's a truth bomb. That's a backwards equation. Fulfillment doesn't follow money. Money follows fulfillment. When you connect to your why, you unlock energy, creativity, resilience. You become magnetic. Opportunities, resources, money are drawn to you. Let's talk about money. For so many of us, it's a source of stress, confusion, or even shame. But what if we reframed it? What if we saw money not as the end goal, but as a powerful tool? A tool that can help us build the exact life we dream of. Every single dollar you earn is a little seed of potential. You get to decide what you want to grow with it. Will you plant seeds of temporary distraction and mindless consumption? Or will you plant seeds of long-term joy, growth, and impact? When you start to see money as energy, an extension of your values, your entire relationship with it transforms. Your financial choices become a direct reflection of what you hold sacred. Aligning your money with your values starts with getting crystal clear on what those values actually are. Is it freedom, connection, creativity, adventure, health? Take time to identify your top 3 to 5 core values. These are the pillars of your dream life. Once you have them, use them as a litmus test for every financial decision you make. Before you click Buy Now, ask, does this purchase align with my values? If connection is a core value, spending on a flight to visit your best friend is a value-aligned investment. If learning is a value, investing in a course or workshop is a direct contribution to your soul's mission. That daily $7 latte might not align if your deeper value is financial freedom and you'd rather see that money build up in an investment account. It's not about judgment, it's about intention. Make your money talk. Make sure it says something you're proud of. Stop the financial leaks. Scan subscriptions, impulse buys, dinners you don't enjoy, and redirect that cash toward your values. All right, so you know why purpose is important and you're ready to align your money with your values. Now for the fun part, getting clear on what you actually want. You can't build your dream life if you don't have the blueprints. A powerful vision acts as your North Star, guiding your decisions and keeping you motivated. It keeps you motivated when things get tough. One effective exercise is your perfect day. Grab a journal and find a quiet spot. Imagine it's 5 years from today and you are living your absolute ideal life. Describe a perfect ordinary day. Be ridiculously specific. Where do you live? Who are you with? What work are you doing? How do you feel? What are you eating? What can you see, hear, smell? Don't censor yourself. Write it in vivid, present tense detail. Once you have the perfect day, pull out the key themes. Do you see themes of creativity, adventure, service? These themes are clues from your higher self pointing to purpose. It's not about manifesting a brand of car. It's about the feeling the car represents: freedom, security, or success. Bring that vision to life. Images, words, textures that evoke the feelings you described. Put your vision somewhere you'll see it every day. Wall, phone lock screen, fridge. This is a daily practice that programs your brain to look for opportunities and act toward that vision. A big, beautiful vision is fantastic, but it can feel overwhelming. You might look at your reality, then at your vision, and ask, how do I get from here to there? The answer is simple, but not always easy. You do it one small, intentional step at a time. Your grandest dreams aren't achieved in one giant leap. They're built through consistent daily habits. Shift your mindset from the latte factor to the legacy factor. Ask, what small daily financial choice can I make today that will build the legacy I want? Create a purpose-driven spending plan. Forget the word budget if it scares you. Look at your income and core values and create categories that reflect those values. Instead of generic entertainment, Make a connection fund, dinners with friends. Adventure fund, weekend trips. Growth fund, courses and books. Give your money a job that excites you. Make tracking an act of creation, not deprivation. Automate your dreams. Schedule automatic transfers every payday and create separate accounts for big goals. Down payment fund, travel the world fund, start my own business fund. Even $25 a week starts you moving. Consistency beats amount. Practice the pause and align technique. Before any non-essential purchase, pause for 30 seconds. Take a deep breath, bring your life vision to mind, and ask, does this move me closer to my dream life? Sometimes the beautiful dress aligns, other times funding your bigger dreams wins. That small pause creates conscious choice, connecting every dollar to your destiny. Theory is great, but seeing these principles in action is what makes them click. I want to share a few stories of people who connected money to purpose and transformed their lives. Take my friend Sarah. She was a lawyer doing 80-hour weeks, making great money but feeling empty. Her core values were creativity and nature, but she faced fluorescent lights and legal briefs. She felt trapped by a high salary funding a life she didn't want. She did the perfect day exercise, set up a creative freedom fund, and automated transfers from her paycheck. Instead of expensive dinners, she bought art supplies and took weekend workshops. Small choices built belief. 2 years later, she saved enough for a 6-month sabbatical. She rented a cottage by the sea, painted daily, sold work online and at local markets, and became a full-time artist, making less money but feeling infinitely richer. Then Mark, a software engineer who valued community and making a difference. He created a giving and impact fund, allocated 5% of income to microloans, volunteered skills, and co-founded a tech company building apps for charities. He connected skills and money to purpose and created a career that's profitable and profoundly meaningful. Their money stopped being a coping tool and became the tool that built lives they adore. When you make the brave decision to live aligned with your purpose, something magical happens. Your courage, clarity, and joy create a ripple effect beyond your own happiness. Your courage becomes a beacon. When people see someone lit up by their life, it inspires them. They think, if they can, maybe I can too. Your life gives others permission to pursue theirs. It's not about perfection. Your journey, the struggles, small wins, and commitment, is what inspires. When friends, family, and colleagues see you say no to what doesn't align and yes to your dreams, you model a new way of being. Your spending and work aligned with purpose literally invest in the world you want to see. Every dollar you spend is a vote for that future: sustainability, community, art, and creativity. Individual choices multiplied create massive collective change. Never underestimate the impact of your personal journey. By unlocking your purpose, you hold a light for others. You become an active participant in co-creating a more conscious, compassionate world. The most generous thing you can do is become the most fulfilled and joyful version of yourself. Your happiness is not selfish. It ripples out and touches countless lives in ways you may never know. By unlocking your purpose, you hold a light for others to find theirs. We've covered a lot, from identifying purpose to making money a tool for your dreams. It might feel like a huge undertaking, but one crucial message: you don't have to have it all figured out to start. The journey to a limitless life begins with a single, small step. So, what is one thing you can do today to begin? Maybe take 15 minutes to journal your core values. Perhaps set up an automatic transfer of $10 into my dream fund. Or unsubscribe from marketing emails that tempt you to spend on what doesn't matter. Pick one small, doable action and commit to it. The momentum will be astounding. That single action is a declaration you are serious about creating a life of fulfillment. Clarity comes from engagement, not thinking. You can't think your way to purpose. Take action, experiment, and see what feels right. Be curious and playful. There will be missteps and course corrections. That's part of the process. Every choice provides feedback to refine your vision and get closer to your truth. The only failure is the failure to start. You are the artist. Your life is your masterpiece. You hold the power to design a life that is financially abundant and soul-satisfyingly rich. You don't have to choose between making money and making a difference. When you lead with purpose, you can have it all. The world needs the gift only you have. You deserve to jump out of bed in the morning. Start today. One small step. Your limitless life is waiting for you.